Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Subhagya. So in our today's vlog, I'm doing something different, trying some upgrades for the home. So here is one room which is originally concrete floor, and we are trying to put the cushion. So cushion comes in before carpet. And so that's what we're gonna do today. Let's see how to do it. So here I have Praful who's helping me out. So the first thing that you would need is a stick which will have nails on the upper side. This is something peel and stick, which is all purpose. You can use it on wood or a concrete floor. All you need to do is peel and stick. So one side will have the glue or the sticker kind of thing, and the upper side will have nails. So you have to put the nails up, pointing upward, something like that, so that when you will put the cushion, it will stick on it. So we are arranging it on the sides. You just have to stick it on all the sides, all the corners of the room basically, without missing any inch or any corner. So adjust the stick as per the length of the room or the shape. You can use scissors to cut the stick. So that is how the sticky part comes. You just have to peel it off, and be careful while you're holding the upper side where it has the nails, and stick it. So what you have to do, you have to keep a half an inch of gap from the board. You see that I'm using piece of wood to make that gap. You will know why. So that gap between the stick and the wall is for the carpet. When you push it inside the board, the side boards, that is required, and even for the cushion. So this is the type of wood. So on the upper edge you will have nails. Yes, you have to be very careful. And the bottom side will have that sticky thing, the peel off thing. And in a box you will get four such sticks. So here comes the cushion which goes below the carpet. It looks like that. So I got it for, I think, somewhere between 70 to 85 cents per square feet. I'll put that in the description box. So there are several types that you will get it in a store. Some are pet friendly, some are the normal ones. So go for whatever which suits your requirement. Okay, so as you can see, we are trying to put the cushion. We are trying to get the size of the cushion which fits within the box that we have made, not over that stick. Yes, so it is about, so this tape is to stick, let's say, your cushion. You need to join cushions, piece of cushion. So this is the tape that you get it in the store. All you have to do is, so one side, so it is two side, it sticks on two sides, sorry. So one side will go on the concrete, and the upper side will help you stick the cushion. So you will have to bring it on half, cover half of the tape with the first part, and the other half with the other part of the cushion so that both sticks to it. And then you will do the edges. I'll show you that. But this one is to join the two pieces. Yeah, put some weight so that it sticks really well. And these are really simple, very easy. You can get it in either Home Depot, Lowe's or Menards, anywhere. Yes, so that's how you bring the other piece and stick to the other half of the tape that you have left. Exactly. So you won't put it over the existing cushion, but side by side, so that there's no gap, and yes, it feels good. You just put some pressure on it, some weight, and that's all. Yeah. So that blue thing, yes, this is the peel off. Okay, now measure it really well so that it fits in your room properly within the wooden part that we made, like a frame. The cushion should fit inside the frame. So the frame is for the carpet. Okay, so apply some pressure, some weight. Keep on adding the parts which you would need to cover all the concrete area. Cover all the places so that you don't miss any corner or anything. So spread evenly, measure wherever you need to, and cut with a knife. It is so easy. So once you have cut all the required pieces and you have arranged them properly, then you take the double-sided carpet liner sticker. You can find it in Lowe's or Home Depot. All you have to do is peel from both the end, and one side of it will stick to the floor. First you peel off the bottom one so that it sticks to the floor where exactly you want to place the liner. So once that is done, you will press it gently, and then you will peel off the upper layer and stick. That's it, and it is done. See how neat it looks. Wonderful.